Hi, in this Creating New Item instructional video, we'll look at spacers. There are several spacers you may wish to create, and also you may want to charge differently for each. We will create 3 spacers in this video: plastic spacers, mat spacers, and timber spacers. First, let's do plastic spacers. Click on your Items tab, if not already done, and click on Add a New Item, and click on Other. If you already had been on your item, just click on the plus symbol. Under Details, we'll enter the code PB Spacer with the description Plastic Black Spacers. It's always good to give a good description, as these words are also searched when adding an item. Set your unit to meter, as we want to charge these out by the meter. This is going to be a quick ad with a set price per meter, so I'm going to skip all the options and just enter a sell price. I want to sell these at $5 per meter, so I click on the static and enter 5. You can choose whether this price includes tax or not. I'm going to leave it and let it add tax to that amount. Click on the save, and your item and sell price is now set. You can come back and add more details or change the price later if you wish. Let's now click on the plus symbol and add another item. This will be almost exactly the same as the plastic spacers, except for the name, and I also want to charge more as it takes longer to make and fit. So let's enter the code MSpacer and the description Mat Spacers. Change our unit to meter. Click on Sell and set this one for a static $10 per meter. Okay, we'll click Save. So we've now created 2 different types of spacers. Let's now create the third one. Again, we'll click on the plus symbol, click on Other, and in this case we're going to do timber spacers. So we'll code this one T spacer, timber spacers. Now you may also want to do separate items for different types of spacers. So for instance, if this was a stained timber, you might put T and mock for mocha, and in your description mocha timber spacers. Or it may have been a painted one, so maybe white timber spacers, black timber spacers. Choice is yours. You can make as many of these as you like. Okay, we're just going to leave it as timber spacers. Set to meter. Click on our cell. A static price of $15. Okay, let's save that. Okay, we'll now go and see how these are applied at a sale. So click on your Sales tab. Click on Add a Sale. Let's add a job. Let's enter 500 by 500 for our size. Now without entering anything else, let's just enter our spacers. Our code was PB Spacer. So as you see, as we type, that comes up. So let's select this one. Next, we want to size this to our glass perimeter, as this is going to be a spacer that goes under the rebate of a frame. Okay, we'll click on Save. Okay, you see we have a price of $11. If we click on that $11, you can see that this was charged out at $10. Because at $5 a meter, we're going to use 2 meters. So therefore it's $10. Okay, let's change this spacer now to our mat spacer. The mat spacer we did at $10 a meter. So there it is there. Click Save. And you can see we've gone to $20. We'll change it once again to our timber spacers. Click Save. And we're now at 30. So that's how you use your spacers. Just remember to set your glass perimeter. That's all for this video and creating spacer items. Please join us for some other videos where we'll give more examples on entering different type items. Thank you for now.